Hello and welcome to the Energy Experience. I'm David Dodson, Vice President of Energy here at Ag Valley, bringing you analysis of the energy markets. Today is April Fool's Day. It's shortly after noon here on Wednesday, April 1st. Asian countries are implementing demand reduction strategies such as cutting jet fuel consumption and promoting public transportation to counteract rising energy prices, but ongoing supply disruptions and uncertainty caused by the conflict involving Iran and the closure of the Strait of Hormuz continue to threaten regional and global energy markets with shortages of particularly diesel fuel and jet fuel, now affecting both Asia and soon Europe. Iran's president announced a willingness to end the war if guarantees are provided, prompting a $2 to $3 per barrel drop in crude prices and a surge in the stock markets. However, hostilities between Iran and the U.S. continue with no progress towards peace. West Texas Intermediate prices fell below $100, establishing a threshold as technical resistance. Saudi Arabia is expected to significantly raise its official crude oil prices to Asia in May, possibly reaching record highs. The ongoing U.S.-Israeli conflict with Iran has disrupted Middle Eastern supplies and driven up prices. Arab light crude could command a premium of $22.50 to $40.50 per barrel over Dubai Oman benchmarks. Shipping disruptions of the Strait of Hormuz have pushed Dubai crude prices near $170 a barrel. Increasing cash market premiums and tightening prompt supply. In January, severe weather storms here in the United States caused U.S. crude oil production to drop by nearly 410,000 barrels per day, its lowest in almost a year. So the inventory reports, as mentioned, came out today, and we showed a decline in the distillates group of 2.1 million barrels week over week. Gasoline was irrelevant, showed a drawdown of about 600,000 barrels for the week. However, crude, the imports from Venezuela have raised our crude oil inventories by 5.5 million barrels. So now we just need to get her through the refinery and get it changed into something we can all use. Refinery utilization dropped about 8 points to 92% capacity of our refineries. And that's a look at today's inventories. And as of 12:10 p.m., we are looking at heating oil trading down 11 cents. However, basis is trading about a nickel higher. Crude oil's trading down $2.02 at 99.35. Thanks for joining us for today's edition of the Energy Experience, powered by Ag Valley Co-op. We'll see you next time.